How to get your receipts from Shein.com. So first things first, head over to Shein.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now into your account, you're gonna head over to my account section right here. As you can see, I'm logged in. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly head over to my orders, which is directly below my profile. Once I click on my orders, it's going to lead me to an area where I can basically see all of my orders, the unpaid orders, the orders that are being processed, the orders that are shipped, the orders that are on review, and also the orders that I've returned. You can also have a specific section dedicated for orders that you've deleted. Basically, all in all, there's like a proper history and tracking of all of my orders that I've had. You can see it's empty in here because I've never made an order or I've never had like a never made a purchase out of Shein. But in case, and most definitely, you're watching this video because you want to get the receipts done for your orders that you've made. So all the orders are going to line up right here. You're going to simply click on those orders and navigate to the invoice of it. Basically, what actually happens is naturally that once you place an order, Shein is going to send you an email directly into your email confirming that they have placed this order with the invoice, of course. But in case you lose that specific invoice and you want to navigate it once again, you're going to head over to my orders, and from here you can print that invoice out. So this is how you can get a receipt from Shein. I hope you find this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.